Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that has caught our attention, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Basket Air Fryer. We found this product online and added the link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Chefman TurboFry Touch? This innovative air fryer is designed to maximize your cooking efficiency and help you prepare healthier meals with ease. With dual air fry baskets, it allows you to cook two different foods simultaneously, which is perfect for meal prepping or entertaining guests. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this air fryer a must-have in your kitchen. First and foremost, its extra-large capacity of 9 quarts means you can easily cook enough food to feed the whole family. Imagine roasting a whole chicken in one basket while whipping up crispy fries in the other. The dual basket design truly opens up a world of culinary possibilities. One of the most impressive features of the Chefman TurboFry Touch is the perfect timing sync finish. If you've ever tried to coordinate cooking times for different dishes, you know how tricky it can be. With this air fryer, you can select the sync finish option, and it will automatically calculate cooking times so that both baskets finish cooking at the same time. This is a game changer for those busy weeknight dinners or when you're hosting friends for game day. When it comes to health, the Chefman TurboFry Touch shines by making healthy eating straightforward. Air frying requires little to no oil, allowing you to enjoy crispy, delicious food without the added fat. Whether you're reheating leftovers or preparing fresh vegetables, this air fryer ensures you can indulge guilt-free. Another handy feature is the auto reminders. The air fryer comes with both visual and audio shake reminders, encouraging you to give your food a shake halfway through cooking for that perfectly even crispiness. It takes the guesswork out of air frying and ensures your meals come out consistently delicious. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but not with the Chefman TurboFry Touch. The non-stick interior and bonus basket liners prevent food from sticking, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, the baskets and racks are top-rack dishwasher safe, meaning you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Safety is also a priority with this appliance. It's CETL approved and features advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability. With stay-cool handles, auto shutoff, and overheat protection, you can cook with peace of mind. So, who is this air fryer suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking to prepare quick, healthy meals for your family, or if you love to entertain and want to impress your guests with a variety of dishes, this air fryer is perfect for you. It's also great for anyone who wants to cut down on frying oil without sacrificing flavor. In practical use cases, think about crispy chicken wings alongside roasted vegetables for dinner, or a batch of sweet potato fries paired with fish sticks for the kids. The possibilities are endless. In summary, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Basket Air Fryer is an excellent investment for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process while promoting healthier eating habits. With its dual baskets, large capacity, auto reminders, and easy cleanup, it truly stands out in the world of kitchen appliances. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.